Hey everybody, and welcome to another Health X video. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at these digital, these are not analog, these are digital, so you get a clearer sound quality behind the ear hearing aids. Now, as you can see on the box here, this is your box, okay? You can buy these individually or as a pair. As you can see, it says long battery life, so you basically for 5 years or so will never need to replace the batteries. We offer a 12-month guarantee with these anyway. So if you do have any problems, you can message us and get a brand new pair sent out free of charge if there's any issues. So basically, this is the case for the hearing aid here. Now, if you look inside the case there, you'll see there's a little hole with two bronze prongs. Now, underneath the hearing aid, there's a two that will match that, and you can just simply slide that into there, and it'll recharge the hearing aids. There's a small cable that'll come out the back, so it almost works as like a charging dock. And at the same time, you can place the hearing aid inside, for a travel case as well, and get those moving. If you have any issues setting it up, you obviously got your instruction manual there, which is very in-depth on how to set them up, very simple. And you also get a spare cable, a cleaning brush, and obviously your charger and what have you will be inside the box. Now, you see these different types of these different sizes. Everybody has different size ears, and now they come with three different sizes of ear buds there. With hearing aids, you want to make sure that the compression inside the ear is nice and tight. You want to make sure it's not got a loose fit, because if the tighter the fit, the better the sound connection will be. And just overall, for the price we ask of these are $79.99 each or $150 for a pair. These are heavy-ish. You can tell they're not heavy on the ear, but you can tell they've definitely got good quality. Very simple to use. Volume control on the side there. They look very, very, very nice. If you saw these on someone's ear, you wouldn't be mistaken thinking they were a £2,000 or £3,000 pair of hearing aids, or a £1,000 or £2,000 singular hearing aid. These are really, really nice hearing aids. They don't have Bluetooth. We do sell Bluetooth ones if that's something you're interested in. Obviously, visit the site www.healthx.store. The link will be in the description and all over the channel. But like I say, charging case, different types of controls, so you can make sure they are very fit to your needs. You've got the cleaning brush there as well, a spare tube. We also can supply these if you need them. I'm pretty sure you can determine the length you require on these if you need to as well. And of course, the ear piece will just sort of sit firmly onto there. You can see it's got a little bit of a screw on there, so you can really fix it easily. But these are great value, nice charging case. They look superb. Give them a try, guys. See what you think. It's better than spending £2,000 on a set of hearing aids that are, they may work, don't get me wrong, but at the end of the day, a hearing aid simply amplifies the sound. Okay, that's what they're made to do. And these are fully adjustable to your ear. Okay, and this is, it's a simple thing to do with the instruction manual here. It's very in-depth. There's quite a few pages. You can even fold it out there. There's a lot of information that you need. It'll even say the frequency range there. It's saying 450 to 5,000 hertz. These are a really good bit of kit. These are, guys. I really, if I was struggling with hearing loss, I'd pick something like this, because the price is great. It's digital sound. It feels great. You can flick it. It's a metal sort of a feel to it there. They're very, very nice hearing aids. They look superb. Super easy to charge. You've not got to fiddle about underneath. It's simply just slot it on there and they'll start charging. And if you want to switch that to, like I say earlier, a storage case, you can do that as well. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to check them out. Check them out, see what you think. I think, you know, the photos on the website definitely do them more justice. These are really, really good quality hearing aids. You won't be disappointed. And for the price, how can you go wrong is what I say. Let's take a look in the box here, see if there's anything I've missed. No, it's simply just the cable, as I said earlier. So look, guys, check them out, www.healthx.store. There's many different hearing aids, including these. But again, I really wanted to stress listen carefully. These are a really nice feel. They look so much more than what, you know, you're actually paying. That's a magnetic charge as well there. So, you know, sort of see there, and it will start charging. Very, very, very good bit of kit. The sound quality will be very good because they are digital. They are not analog like many cheap hearing aids. These are digital. These are digital hearing. Okay. Have a look, try them out, give them a try. www.healthx.store. Comment below if you need any help, and we'll see you in the next video.